In this video, I will be showing you a comparison of 4 popular insect and hornet radio telemetry transmitters and a transmitter which is developed by us. In the past, we have uploaded a couple of videos showcasing the range of our transmitters, but this time the focus is on how it actually compares to the alternatives. So, on this image, you can see the tested transmitters next to each other, with the one on top being the one which is made by us. As you can tell, this one has the smallest footprint. We have made a few different types of measurements, such as measuring the weight and volume of the transmitters, but arguably the most important question is the range of the devices. To estimate it, we used a TEM cell, which allows us to make highly accurate measurements of the effective radiated power of the transmitters relative to each other. So basically, instead of measuring the voltage at the feed point of the antenna and calculating the radiated power based on this, which is an unreliable method, we have measured the actual radiated power, which can serve as a basis for objective comparison. Before taking a look at the data, I would like to note that we didn't include the names of the devices by other manufacturers. So if you are interested in these details, then please send an email our way and we will send you the full spreadsheet. Well then, the data from our transmitter can be seen in the last row. And first of all, let's see the data related to the range of the devices. As you can see, for our transmitter using the TEM cell, we have measured minus 18.5 decibel milliwatts for the effective radiated power, which is significantly more than all other devices, which are all around minus 45, minus 50 decibels. To put this difference into perspective, if I convert the results into milliwatts and calculate the relative effective radiated power, then you will see that ours is over 3000 times stronger than the weakest and over 350 times stronger than the second strongest transmitter. This is a huge difference. If I visualize it on a chart, then the columns of the other transmitters won't even be visible. But how does this relate to the range of the devices? Well, as you can see on the spreadsheet, by using the free space path loss formula, the relative theoretical range of our transmitters comes out to 57 times longer than the weakest one. Using a more realistic path loss value for near ground range estimation, ours has an 11 times longer range than the weakest one. In earlier videos, we have tested the range of our transmitter, and in a densely packed urban environment, the range was a little over 1 kilometer. However, with a better line of sight, we could still receive the signal from 30 kilometers away. As a quick side note, while we could only measure 4 other devices so far, the data should be representative of what you can expect from pretty much any insect transmitter on the market. Finally, I will summarize the remaining data points. The weight of the transmitters is between 290 and 130 milligrams. Ours comes in a close second with 140 milligrams. The length of the antennas is similar to each other, between 100 and 155 millimeters. Only 2 out of 5 have replaceable or rechargeable batteries, one of them being ours. However, the other one has a short battery life of only 4 hours, while all others have around 10 days. And on top of having a short battery life, the transmitter's effective radiated power quickly decreases as the battery drains. There are a few other interesting attributes listed in the spreadsheet as well, so feel free to pause the video and read it. Finally, thank you for watching the video to the end. If you have found it interesting or have any questions, then please visit our website at the following address or reach out to us via email. The transmitters featured in the video, other than our own, were provided to us by Dr. Balázs Kolics from the Hungarian University of Agriculture and Life Sciences. He is currently researching the invasive Asian hornet species, so if you are interested in the topic, you can learn more about it on his website.